Hello, hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me for the first live Tipsy Tuesday. We are coming to you live, well, I'm coming to you live from New Orleans, Louisiana. If you all do not know me, my name is Nicole Gaither, and I'm the owner and founder of Creativa IP Law. We are a boutique, excuse me. See how nervous I am about this, you all? But we are a boutique IP law firm. We practice solely trademarks and copyrights and anything that's related to those services. So thank you for joining me tonight. I hope you all get a lot of information from tonight's Tipsy Tuesday event. So let's get started. Just kind of want to give you some information about me. I am an attorney, of course, and I practice here in New Orleans. And since I practice trademarks and copyrights, it's a federal practice, so I can help clients all over the country. I also have some international clients who have things that they need help with in the US. So like if they are starting to expand their business to the United States, then I help them protect their brand here. So that's a little bit about me. And like I said, this is Tipsy Tuesday, so we'll be talking about wine, IP, and of course having some fun while we do it. So let me tell you about the wine that I chose for tonight's event. And please forgive me, I was trying to find a place where I have more light, but unfortunately, I'm still waiting to get a new lamp for my apartment. So this is probably the best amount of light that we're gonna get without me sharing all of the mess in the apartment. So anyway, thanks again for joining. So let me tell you a little bit about the wine I chose for tonight. So it is Apothic Crush. It is a California red, and it's a wine blend. And I wrote it down because I knew I was not going to remember. So it's a blend of a Petit Syrah and a Pinot Noir, and it blends the red fruit flavors, and it has notes of caramel and chocolate. And so you can find this one usually in a grocery store. I found it at Cost Plus World Market. It's one of my favorite stores. They have a huge wine selection, and they have the greatest international treats and snacks. So it usually runs about $8 to $13. It's really smooth. It's not bitter. I'm more of a red wine person. I don't like really strong red wines, but I cannot stand sweet red wines. I'm not a big fan of white wine unless it's sweet. So I'm kind of all over the spectrum there. And I'm not one of those people also who's like, I have beef, so I need to have red wine. I'm having fish, I need to have white wine. I get whatever I feel like for the day. If there's something on the menu that I want and I want to try it, I'm getting it. So that's a little bit about me and a little bit about tonight's wine choice. So the question for tonight happens to come from someone who emailed me. And the question that they had was, how do I prevent my employees or clients from taking my ideas? And this apparently this is going on a lot, because I also saw this posted in a Facebook group. So I'm not sure who you all are dealing with, what kind of cat burglars and porch pirates that y'all are running into. This is not a good situation. And yeah, I understand your concern, because if you have an idea for a business and you're coming to, work with people and you want to trust them, then you definitely don't want them to take your ideas and then, start working against you and competing against you, and because they have the information that you've been working on. So intellectual property does not really protect ideas. Patents protect inventions, methods, and processes. So that is not going to protect your idea. It's going to protect the way you've innovated your idea, how you put it in place to make it something to move forward with. Copyright only protects the creative expression of your idea. So again, it's not going to protect the actual idea until you put it into something that's original and creative, and it's in a fixed medium. So think of, poetry, artwork, photos, content on your website, those kinds of things. And of course, trademarks protect brand identifiers. So it would be like the brand name, or your business name, your logos. So that's not really an idea. The one thing that you can use that could protect your idea, and it would be it's contract based. So you would be looking at trade secret law. So making sure that if you have something that you're going to keep confidential and it's something that gives your business a competitive edge, then you definitely want to make sure that you are using confidentiality agreements and non-disclosure agreements with your clients, with your employees, with the vendors that you're using and suppliers. Because if these are things that are keeping your company, it gives you something over your competitors, and as long as you keep it secret, then these are definitely ways that you can protect your ideas and the things in your business that are helping you, making sure that you have that edge over your competitors. It's not foolproof, of course, because contracts can be broken. However, you do have the remedy if someone does give away a secret or starts using your ideas that they sign a confidentiality agreement for, then you can sue them for breach of contract. So you might be able to get a remedy there based on whatever your state laws are for breach of contract. So you might be able to get damages. Unfortunately, the secret's out, so that's kind of, that's a moot point, but it's still some kind of remedy that you would have. So like I said, intellectual property probably would not be the avenue to take. Of course, trade secrets are a form of intellectual property. They're not a federal form of intellectual property, even though there are some federal laws that protect trade secrets. It's more of a state law. And again, the best way to protect your ideas or things that you do not want to be outside of your company is through contracts. And that would be doing confidentiality agreements and non-disclosure agreements. So I hope that has answered the question. And if you have any further questions or future questions or anything like that, please feel free to contact me. I am on Facebook at Creativa IP Law. I'm also on Instagram. It's Creativa IP Law, and also at Trademark Law Diva. I'm also on Twitter at Law Creativa. And you can email me at nicole@creativaiplaw.com. And of course, the website, creativaiplaw.com. Feel free to, ask me any question. We can discuss it. Definitely can, hit me up for next Tuesday. I would love to have any, questions that you have so I can have them answered live. So looking forward to seeing you all. Thank you all for joining me, and I look forward to hearing from you all soon. So definitely, I will bring the wine next time. It's going to probably be a different blend, of course, even though this is, I do have to admit, it's one of my favorites. But I will bring the wine for next Tuesday. I'll also bring the answers to your IP questions and any tips, and we will all work together to bring the fun. All right, well, have a good evening, everyone, and see you all soon. Bye.